Hi, Mr. Novak here. Just a quick demo of the linear graphs program. So when you open it up from your My Documents folder, that's Year 10, Semester 1 exams. And we're looking at option number on page 1.5. So it's working out the midpoint and length. So we know how simple it is to use it manually, but in a tech A, well, hey, why not use it? And yes, if you can use the geometry example in the other video, that seems easy to do, but you might find this even easier. So all we need to do is go to page 5, and it's really straightforward. Just the coordinates of the two end points of the line. So there's say 2 comma 4, 5 comma 9, and it works out the midpoint. So that's the halfway. You can see halfway between 2 and 5 is 3.15. There's its length in decimal. And remember, you may be asked to leave it in surd form. So that's the square root of 34. Let's do another one. So let's go from 1 comma 1. I'll do an easy one. So we get that classic 3, 4, 5 triangle. So that will make that 4. And let's see if that works out. 6. No, I didn't. Let me see. I don't know why that didn't work. I know. Maybe 4, 4. No. Anyway, we'll leave it at that. There's your example. As I say, it quickly works out the midpoint and the length and the square root insert form. And here's an interesting option. Sometimes you are asked to work out the outside point. So you got the one of the outside point and you've been given the midpoint. And so this will work out the outside point. So let's have a look at that. For instance, we did 1, 1, 2.5, 2.5, 1, 1, and we did 2.5, 2.5 as our midpoint. Oops, decimal I'm looking for. And the same as that, 2.5. Remember, the outside was on the line segment was 1 comma 1. Remember, always write them in brackets. The midpoint was brackets 2.5 comma 2.5, and the outside was in actual fact 4.4. And I then again look at the length of the be the shorter one. Let's see. No, the actual length. So that's the halfway point, half the length. So that's linear graphs.